hardware for the first time with 22 seconds remaining in regulation time, up 6-0 on the Stockton Thunder. I know the people back in Berks County in Reading, Pennsylvania are cheering their Royals. I wish you were here to watch what was going on right now as the Royals are about to hold on to the hardware for the first time in team history. As Brett Fleming sends the puck towards the bench, out comes the team. The Reading Royals are the 2013 Kelly Cup champions here in Stockton, California, celebrating with Riley Gill, his 7th shutout of this season, Pat Richards.
What a beautiful sight, Mark Thompson. The lawn sale, sticks, gloves, helmets littering the ice. The Royals celebrating in the goal crease. Reading Royals, 2013 Kelly Cup champions. What a nice ring that has.
As the Royals now jump in celebration, they'll line up for the traditional handshake between the two teams. The Stockton Thunder certainly deserve commendation for their efforts to get here. I doubt that very many people, and I've said this on a number of occasions, as the Stockton fans celebrate their team and they raise their sticks to the rafters, honoring their fans as well. Great crowd on hand tonight, but the Royals take care of business in Game 5. Pat Richards, I want to say to you personally, thank you very much for coming out to Stockton, California. It has been, I've been with the team 8 seasons. We've had a lot of fun over the 8 seasons. I'm not sure that we've had one quite